Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks kill you in Minecraft. We'll dive into the exciting world of command blocks, which are your primary tool for this. You'll learn how to set up systems that detect when a player is near a certain block, and then how to make that block deliver a deadly blow. This opens up many possibilities for custom maps and challenging gameplay. Get ready to transform your ordinary blocks into perilous traps. The core of making blocks deadly involves two key commands. First, /execute allows you to run a command from a specific location or entity. You'll use it to check for players near your chosen block. Then, the /damage command is perfect for inflicting a precise amount of harm, perhaps 20 hearts for an instant kill. Alternatively, /effect give at P instant damage can also be used to apply a damaging status effect. To make your blocks truly lethal, precise detection is crucial. You can use the distance argument within the /execute command to check for players within a small radius, perhaps 1 or 2 blocks. For even greater precision, the if block argument lets you verify if a player is standing directly on a specific block type. Remember to use player selectors like at A or at P to target the correct entities for damage. Now, let's put it all together to build some lethal traps. Imagine a pressure plate connected to a command block that instantly damages anyone who steps on it. You can hide these command blocks and redstone wiring beneath the surface, making your traps truly unexpected. Always remember to test your creations thoroughly to ensure they function as intended and provide the desired challenge for players. Have fun experimenting with these powerful tools.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.